You're not going to believe how drones can transform everything from your backyard BBQ to your next vacation. Imagine a world where drones are not just flying cameras, but essential tools in disaster relief, agriculture, and even wildlife conservation. This is the reality of today's drone technology, which is rapidly advancing beyond the realm of photography. Stay tuned to discover how drones are transforming various industries and making a profound impact on our lives. Introduction to drone technology. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have evolved far beyond their original use as military tools and photography gadgets. With advancements in technology, drones are now capable of performing a wide array of tasks that were once thought impossible. From agriculture and environmental monitoring to emergency response and logistics, drones are proving to be versatile and invaluable assets. According to a report by PwC, the global market for drone technology is expected to reach $127 billion by 2025, highlighting the significant economic impact and potential of this technology. Let's dive into some of the most innovative uses of drones that go beyond capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Drones in agriculture. One of the most promising applications of drone technology is in agriculture. Farmers are leveraging drones to monitor crops, optimize irrigation, and manage pests more efficiently. Drones equipped with multispectral and hyperspectral sensors can capture detailed images of crops, allowing farmers to detect issues such as nutrient deficiencies, disease, and pest infestations early on. This data enables precise interventions, reducing the need for excessive pesticide use and improving crop yields. Companies like Precision Hawk and DJI are leading the way in agricultural drone technology, providing farmers with powerful tools to enhance productivity and sustainability. A study by the American Farm Bureau Federation found that the use of drones in agriculture can increase crop yields by up to 5% and reduce input costs by up to 20%. Moreover, drones can be used to perform precise aerial spraying of fertilizers and pesticides, ensuring even coverage and reducing the environmental impact. According to a report by Goldman Sachs, the agricultural sector is set to be the second largest user of drones, driven by the need for efficient and sustainable farming practices. Environmental monitoring and conservation. Drones are also playing a crucial role in environmental monitoring and conservation efforts, helping scientists and researchers gather vital data on ecosystems and wildlife. From tracking endangered species to monitoring deforestation and climate change, drones provide an efficient and non-invasive way to collect data in remote and challenging environments. For instance, drones equipped with thermal cameras can monitor the health and movement of wildlife, providing researchers with valuable insights into animal behavior and population dynamics. Organizations like Conservation Drones and WWF are using drones to combat illegal poaching and monitor protected areas. A study published in the journal Methods in Ecology and Evolution highlights how drones have revolutionized wildlife conservation by providing high-resolution data at a fraction of the cost and effort of traditional methods. Drones are also being used to monitor and manage natural resources. For example, drones equipped with LiDAR, light detection and ranging technology, can create detailed 3D maps of forests, helping scientists assess tree health and forest density. This data is crucial for managing forest resources and mitigating the effects of climate change. Disaster response and emergency services. In emergency situations, every second counts. Drones are becoming indispensable tools for disaster response and emergency services, providing real-time information and delivering critical supplies. Drones can quickly assess damage after natural disasters like earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods, providing rescuers with crucial information about inaccessible areas. This allows for more efficient allocation of resources and faster response times. Moreover, drones are being used to deliver medical supplies to remote and disaster-affected areas. Zipline, a pioneering company in drone delivery, has successfully delivered blood and medical supplies to remote regions in Rwanda and Ghana, saving countless lives in the process. According to the World Economic Forum, the use of drones in disaster response can reduce delivery times by up to 80%, significantly improving the chances of survival for those in need. Drones are also equipped with thermal imaging cameras to locate survivors trapped under rubble. In the aftermath of the 2017 Mexico City earthquake, drones played a critical role in locating and rescuing survivors, demonstrating their value in emergency response. Infrastructure inspection and maintenance. Maintaining infrastructure such as bridges, power lines, and pipelines can be dangerous and time-consuming. Drones are revolutionizing the way we inspect and maintain these critical structures. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can safely and efficiently inspect hard-to-reach areas, identifying potential issues before they become major problems. This not only enhances safety, but also reduces maintenance costs and downtime. Companies like Skidio and Flyability are developing advanced inspection drones that can navigate complex environments and provide detailed reports on structural integrity. A report by Markets and Markets estimates that the market for drone-based infrastructure inspection will reach $1.4 billion by 2026, driven by the need for safer and more efficient inspection methods. In the oil and gas industry, drones are being used to inspect pipelines for leaks and corrosion. A study by the Oil and Gas Journal found that drone inspections can reduce inspection costs by up to 90% and minimize the risk of accidents. Public safety and law enforcement. Drones are also making a significant impact in the field of public safety and law enforcement, providing valuable support in various operations. From search and rescue missions to monitoring large public events, drones offer law enforcement agencies a bird's-eye view that enhances situational awareness and operational efficiency. Drones can quickly cover large areas, locate missing persons, and provide real-time updates to ground teams. In addition, drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras can detect heat signatures, making them invaluable tools for nighttime operations and crime scene investigations. According to the National Institute of Justice, the use of drones in law enforcement can reduce response times by up to 50% and improve the overall effectiveness of public safety operations. Drones are also being used to monitor traffic and enforce speed limits. In Dubai, the police department has deployed drones to monitor traffic violations and enhance road safety. A report by the Dubai police indicates that the use of drones has reduced traffic violations by 20%. Logistics and delivery. The logistics and delivery industry is undergoing a transformation, with drones playing a pivotal role in last-mile delivery and supply chain management. Drone delivery offers a faster and more efficient alternative to traditional delivery methods, especially in urban areas with heavy traffic or remote regions with limited infrastructure. Companies like Amazon, UPS, and DHL are already testing and implementing drone delivery services to streamline their operations. According to a report by McKinsey & Company, the use of drones for last-mile delivery could reduce delivery costs by up to 40% and significantly decrease delivery times. This innovation not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also reduces the environmental impact of delivery services by cutting down on vehicle emissions. Drones are also being used to deliver critical medical supplies to remote areas. In Switzerland, the Swiss Post has partnered with Matternet to use drones for delivering lab samples between hospitals, reducing delivery times from hours to minutes. Entertainment and media. Drones are not just changing the way we capture images and videos. They are also transforming the entertainment and media industries in unexpected ways. In film production, drones provide filmmakers with unique perspectives and dynamic shots that were once difficult or impossible to achieve. They offer a cost-effective alternative to traditional methods like helicopters and cranes, making high-quality aerial footage accessible to independent filmmakers. Additionally, drones are creating new forms of entertainment, such as drone light shows. Companies like Intel and Verge Aero are orchestrating stunning drone displays that light up the night sky with synchronized patterns and animations, captivating audiences around the world. According to a report by Grand View Research, the global drone entertainment market is expected to reach $2.8 billion by 2025, driven by the growing popularity of drone light shows and aerial cinematography. Drones are also being used to cover live sports events, providing viewers with unique and dynamic perspectives. In the 2018 Winter Olympics, drones were used to capture stunning aerial footage of ski and snowboarding events, showcasing their ability to enhance the viewer's experience. Education and research. Drones are also playing an increasingly important role in education and research, providing students and scientists with powerful tools to explore and understand the world. In schools and universities, drones are being integrated into STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics curricula, allowing students to gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge technology. These programs not only enhance technical skills, but also inspire the next generation of innovators. In the field of scientific research, drones are enabling new discoveries by providing access to remote and hazardous locations. For example, drones are being used to study volcanic activity, monitor glacier movements, and map coral reefs. A study published in Nature highlights how drones have become indispensable tools for collecting high-resolution data in challenging environments, significantly advancing our understanding of the natural world. Urban planning and smart cities. Urban planning and the development of smart cities are being revolutionized by drone technology, offering new ways to design and manage urban spaces. Drones equipped with LiDAR and photogrammetry technology can create detailed 3D maps of urban areas, providing planners with accurate data for designing infrastructure and monitoring development projects. This data helps optimize traffic flow, improve public transportation, and enhance overall urban efficiency. Cities like Singapore and Dubai are leading the way in integrating drones into their smart city initiatives. In Singapore, drones are used to monitor construction sites, inspect buildings, and manage traffic, contributing to a safer and more efficient urban environment. According to a report by Frost & Sullivan, the use of drones in urban planning can reduce project costs by up to 30% and significantly improve project timelines. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and thanks for watching.